Well, this has been my studio for the last, I don't know, 15, possibly 20 years, maybe more. That's my view out into the pond and the wildness outside. And I sat in here day after day, all those years. I've written and illustrated over 100 children's books, and I must have made nearly 3,000 videos for YouTube in here, and done all sorts of other stuff. And now it's empty and we are on the move. This is kind of my world of being a children's author being put to bed, and we're going to be moving to Derbyshire, and that's where I'm really going to be sort of starting my second career, as I'm quite decided how to describe it. I tell people I'm a practical philosopher of creativity. That makes sense to me, but I don't think it makes sense to your average person. So I'll keep working on that job title. So we have been packing up for the last few weeks, getting ready, throwing lots of stuff out. I was going through things and sort of reliving memories. Yeah, I go through paperwork, remembering people, and a lot. Yes, it's kind of reminded me a lot of how my career has gone and people who've helped me along the way, and things and bad decisions I have made, good decisions I have made. I'm absolutely exhausted. So this is Thursday and we're moving next Wednesday. And we haven't actually got a house to move into. That is all sort of going through. So we're having a few weeks in an Airbnb, which will be like a bit of a holiday after all of this. Now I'm sort of closing down the blinds, and here we go. How many times have I done this? This is going to open this door, walk out of it, and that is going to be a big kind of end of the era. Better remember to turn the light off. And there we go. So this is the River Derwent in the Peak District, and we have moved house, and today we have a possible moving date into our new house. So we sold our house in the Forest of Dean and moved out last week, and we have a holiday cottage for a month. We need that to recover, because there's a little wren. Oh, it's cute. Yeah, so we need a month sort of holiday just to recover from all that packing and sorting and organising. It was really quite exhausting, and this is just beautiful. It just feels so different here to the forest. There's this beautiful river. I've been looking out to see if there are any dippers, which are probably my favourite bird, but I haven't seen one. It's the perfect place to come and find a dipper, really. And so far things are sort of going smoothly. It's such a good to have a potential possible date for moving in, and it works out exactly perfectly with the amount of time we've booked in at our holiday cottage. So if it goes to plan, it couldn't work out better. And in the meantime, I'm just going to be walking around like this, and then I'm going to be at my computer working out quite what the next stage of my career is all about, and a certain way and everything like that, but I'll keep you informed. Well, isn't this a fabulous oak tree? A lovely blue autumn sky.